Is that a former ladder? We appear to be on an old logging road. Getting a little steeper here. Oh, but what about my backpack? Oh my, whoa. This steep section is no joke. Okay, I got the idea. All right, you don't have to tell me twice.
In early September, we traveled to the Rocky Knob area in Southern Virginia. This region is home to the Rock Castle Gorge, a deep ravine adjacent to the Blue Ridge Parkway and the site of our trail. The Rock Castle Gorge Loop is a strenuous 11-mile trail that traverses the canyon walls, hosting a particularly challenging uphill climb from the gorge bottom to the upper escarpment and eventually to the 3,500-foot Rocky Knob summit. This trail provides an abundance of interest, showcasing tremendous views from the parkway, beautiful forests with wildlife, streams speckled with waterfalls, evidence of old homesteads, a pleasant walk along a rolling cow pasture, and most notably, an uphill climb that will literally take your breath away. But it was the tranquility and isolation of this trail that made us think, this is why we hike.
We are here at the trailhead, and we did not have to fight for a parking spot. That is where we started from, at the 12 o'clock knob overlook. Oh, he's gonna run off. Because we want to go counterclockwise. Cows have frequented this part of the trail. Rock Castle Gorge Trail. We are leaving the pasture. Is that a former ladder? And now we're gonna have to go underneath go over it. I'll hold it down. We have seen no one on the trail, which really means the lead person gets to break away all the spider webs. Still on green. Wow. There is just so much brush around, below your knees that I would recommend wearing long pants. The spider's like right there, so you need to go underneath it. It is an old chimney. Now, as Crystal put it, we appear to be on an old logging road because this is wide enough for a vehicle. Tree down. So this is nice, walking along the stream. We stumbled upon a private house right here on the trail. I thought that very same thing. I was thinking, like, I'm watching my feet for a snake. Bears are active in this area. Looks like they got some significant campsites down here. This looks awesome. A little energy here before we start our uphill climb. Breaks over. We got some climbing to do. I told you it was going to be obvious when we got there. This ain't so bad. So far, so good. Definitely going uphill. It's getting a little steeper here. This is a pretty decent climb here. Wow. Wow. Oh, but what about my backpack? Oh, whoa. This steep section is no joke. Wow. But Chris is just eating up the trail. Okay. That's what we left behind us. And this is what we got ahead of us. This is really driving up my body heat, my body work. It's nice and cool outside, but my body's working so hard getting up this hill.
This is about the most rugged trail we've been on as far as there's no switchbacks.
No.
There's trees in the way, steep parts of the trail is just like that.
Oh my gosh. How in the world? Flat spot. At least for a little bit. Thinking what? This flat part is really nice after that steep uphill portion. So I realize we still got some more to go. It won't be as steep. Double bridge. Ooh, it looks a little wobbly too. And I believe we're going to start walking along the Blue Ridge Parkway. Lying amongst the cow patties. There's the Blue Ridge Parkway. Rock Knob Overlook. So that's where we started. And we went. You are here. Which means we still got a little bit to go to get back over. Guys. Stand between me and the babies. Okay, I got the idea. All right, you don't have to tell me twice. This is like Norman Rockwell picturesque though.
Beard.
How come it hurts? Oh, it has little thorns on it?
Yeah, you can't see them.
From that way. On the other side of the parkway. Have more views. Leaving the pasture. There you go. We see a parking lot ahead. I'm kind of wondering if this is ours.
No, this is not us.
Oh no. That means we have more hiking. So this is the old Appalachian Trail. Well, you've reached another summit. This is the peak of Rocky Knob. it back before about 4 o'clock. And here is where we parked at.
Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.